In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a campaign in MailerLite. By the end, you'll know exactly which delivery method to choose and how each option affects when your subscribers see your email. Once you've built your campaign and you're on the send or schedule page, this is where timing comes into play. MailerLite gives you 4 delivery methods, each designed for a different need. I'll walk you through what each one does, when to use it, and a few practical tips to help you pick confidently. First up is Send Now. This immediately dispatches your campaign to all selected recipients. It's perfect for urgent announcements, last-minute updates, or time-sensitive promotions when every minute counts. Because it goes out right away, take a quick moment to confirm your audience selection, subject line, and any personalization. A brief final check can save you from sending a correction later. Next is Send Later. This lets you choose a specific date, time, and time zone for delivery. It's ideal when you want to time your message for the best visibility, like early morning on a weekday or just before a scheduled event. Be sure to select the correct time zone for your strategy. If most of your audience is in a particular region, align the campaign to that zone so it lands when they're most likely to see it. Planning ahead also helps you balance workload and coordinate with other marketing channels. Deliver based on time zones is designed for global audiences. With this option, MailerLite sends your email at the same local time for each subscriber, so everyone receives it at, say, 9 o'clock a.m. in their own city. This keeps delivery consistent and respectful of regional differences. One important requirement, you must schedule this at least 24 hours in advance. Build in that buffer so MailerLite has time to queue and align, sends across time zones. It's a smart way to avoid middle-of-the-night emails for part of your list. Finally, there's Smart Sending. This uses AI to analyze each subscriber's past interaction history and determines the optimal time to deliver for maximum engagement. It can help improve open and click rates by meeting people when they're most active. Keep in mind that Smart Sending is available only on MailerLite Advanced plans. It shines when your audience has diverse habits and you want the platform to adapt to each person automatically. To wrap up, choose the delivery method that best matches your audience, timeline, and goals, and you'll set your campaign up for success.